Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cleaning and protecting the area so paint bonds well. Once the wall is dry, tape edges and lay down a drop cloth to avoid drips. Stir the paint thoroughly for consistent color and pour into a tray. Load the roller evenly so it holds enough but doesn't drip. Begin with a 3-foot vertical section using an M motion to spread paint. This creates an even base and reduces visible seams as you continue. Once you have the base, work methodically in 3-4-foot sections so the paint remains wet at the edges and lap marks are minimized. Use a brush to cut in corners and a long trim, then feather roller strokes into those brushed areas to blend. Apply one thin, even coat instead of a thick one. Thin coats dry faster and show fewer drips. After this coat, wait the manufacturer's recommended dry time so you can inspect and decide if a second coat is needed. You finish by applying a second coat only if coverage is uneven, using light cross-rolling for a uniform texture. Make sure to remove painter's tape when the paint is tacky but not fully dry to prevent peeling. For small imperfections, touch up with a brush after the final coat dries. If you see streaks or brush marks, sand lightly with 220 grit, clean the dust, and repaint that area. This smooths the surface and helps the new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.